So now I have pink, blue, and blue slime. So that it will actually work. To show you guys. And it looks kind of very crazy. That is super crazy. I'm not really sure I was thinking I was going to say it with the black, but I think I'm going to put the blue. So, right here, we do a little circle at the very edge. Okay, so right here. So you will stick that in there. Okay, yep. So stick that in there like that. And then you're going to wrap it really quick. You're going to just wrap it. And then when you're done wrapping it, you do it again. Put it in at the very edge of the other side. And I'm trying to make it very even. And it's fine if it like bends a little bit. It's fine. Just put it like that. And then just keep on doing it around until it is fully closed out. So I'll see you when I'm done doing that. Okay, sorry about that camera issue right there. But I did it. So what I did was I just wrapped. What I did was I got the little circle parts right here, like the little circle parts, and then I wrapped it on the top and over. But yeah, this is really cool, and you guys should try it. And I did not get this net from Michael's, but I believe it is there because they have a lot of crafty stuff. But yeah, bye guys.